Clarksville. Just checked on the house, and most importantly, I just got off a phone call, coaching call with one of my clients who's doing our program right now. Been doing it for about 9 months, has a few properties. And he said, "Hey Adam, I'm starting to make some money. What do I do with it?" Because he still works his job, right? So he's making about $2,300 a month off of a few rental properties, doing great. That's amazing. Keep it up, man. So when that money starts coming in, what do you do with it? So my question to him is, and we talked about this when we did our onboarding for my new clientele. I said, what's your long-term goals? Because it's easy to make money real fast. That's a problem with a business, is that too many people make money too fast without a good foundation, and they end up failing when things get harder or the unforeseen happens. So I told my client, I said, what's your long-term goal? All right. Are you in business to make a lot of money real fast, or are you building wealth? And I teach wealth building. There's a big difference between making money and building wealth, because I can show you how to flip a house and make some money. However, long-term generational wealth, that takes time and it's not fast. So my answer to the guy was, you told me when we talked that you want to build long-term wealth. Don't spend that money. When you start making money in real estate, your first, I would say 3 or 4 years, you act like you have no money. You put every ounce that you have back into the business, okay? You want to grow. So what we did a 4-year growth period. I strategically set out to grow for 4 years. I wanted 4 years of just grind, hustle, soak up properties, get my hands on whatever I could do, flip a few properties, but I wanted to soak up rental properties, and that's what we've done. Now we're in the next phase of sustainment. So now, for us, in year 5, we're refining our SOPs. We're refining how we, acquire houses. We're slowing down on purpose to refine what we got. Okay. So I told him, you got to grow right now. You got to grow and act like you have no money. So he's doing that. The few rentals he's got, he's putting money back into those rentals, making them better, making them nicer, so that when he has client turnover, tenant turnover, he can charge more money for that same property, because he's done the upgrades. He's put the new carpet in. He's done that kind of stuff, because this is generational wealth. With rental properties, you don't get rich fast. You don't make money fast. Like I said before many times, when we evaluate a property, I want to make about $300 a month off that house. If I make $300 a month, that's a win all day long. I want to make more, but at minimum, I want to make about $275 to $300. Now, one property, $300, not a big deal. 10 properties, that's $3,000. 20 properties, $6,000. You can see how the compounding effect goes with these rental properties. And that's what rental real estate is about. Each property gives you one more pay raise for the rest of your life each month. So if I got 10 houses making $3,000 a month, I'm making that $3,000 a month forever until I sell the property, sell the business. On top of that, I'm gonna raise my rates every year as well. So every time I get one more property, I give myself another $300 a month. So now I'm making $3,300 a month for the rest of my life. Your employer is not going to give you a raise every month or every time you make production or wherever you work at. Okay. So back to my client, my coaching client. I said, take that money, put it back into the business, act like you don't have it. Okay. Now, when you're making about double passive income versus what your expenses are. So if my expenses, my mortgage, my car payment, my food, my phone bill is $2,000. I want to make about $4,000 a month in passive income before I quit my job. All right. At that point, then you can really focus and dive headfirst into your business and give 1,000%, not just 100% on nights and weekends. Now this is all you do. So my guy is doing exactly what I said. We wrote out his next probably 12 months of effort as far as what he's going to do for his business, how he's going to market, how he's going to attack certain parts of real estate, whether it be wholesaling or rentals. Love it. Love what I do. I love helping people get into business, and I love when people are able to quit their jobs. So as always, guys, this is Adam Johnson, the president of Johnson Property Investments. If I can help you guys get into real estate, start your business, start buying houses, create passive income, shoot me a message, man. That's what I do. That's what I'm here for. I'll see you guys later. Johnson out.